Whenever you feel like spanking your child, take a deep breath and count to 10. You're the adult. Come up with an expressive and thoughtful alternative to spanking. Spanking is not the common discipline method it was years ago, but some parents still do it. You should never spank or strike a child. Research shows that kids who are spanked have lower IQs because they shut down their learning powers. They're also more aggressive, tend to get in more trouble, and often have lower self-esteem as adults than kids who aren't spanked. A better way to discipline a child is to understand what's going on. Kids act out when they don't have the words to express their frustration and anger. Teach your young child how to express her thoughts. If your child is cranky when you're out, say something like, "I know you're tired and want to go home, but we can't. We have to finish our errands." It shows you understand his or her feelings. This doesn't always work, but it's a step towards teaching your child impulse control and how to use words in place of actions. Whenever you feel like spanking your child, take a deep breath and count to 10. You're the adult. Come up with an expressive and thoughtful alternative to spanking.